Hello everybody, it's Angie with Lake Erie Motors. We thought we'd start something new. We're going to start doing videos of our current vehicles and new vehicles once they hit the lot. Sometimes it's hard to make it out every day to see the new vehicles, so I figured if we had some videos, then our customers, whether new or old or returning, can see our inventory and can see how nice they are. Then they won't hesitate to leave the couch or to leave the house or come after work or whenever. So I'm going to try to do this and see how it goes. Right now we have two trucks currently available. We have this F-150 here, the white one. It's a nice one. We just actually had it cleaned up. There was a few surface rust spots, but nothing major. We had it all cleaned up. It's ready to go. It is the FX Off-Road edition. I believe it's a super crew size. Then right beside it here is a Toyota Tundra. Now this one comes with a plow and a spreader, like a salt spreader. It was just purchased last season, was never used, which was quite surprising. They purchased all the necessary equipment to plow or start their own little business, and they never got a chance to use it. So this year, any new customers looking to start their own business, be a little entrepreneur, this is a great truck. It's got the V8 in it, the 5.7 liter TRD off-road. Now we are trying to get new vehicles every week. We do have a lot of SUVs right now. We have a couple cars, a couple trucks, so we're trying to get a little bit of everything. I know there's a motorcycle coming to the lot, probably, I'd say within the next couple days. So if anybody's looking for a motorcycle, come check it out. Now, if you're wondering where we are, we're located at 5477 Northridge Road here in Madison, Ohio. We're at the corner here of McMacken and Route 20. Very busy street. So this one we actually just got today. This here is a 2007 Subaru Legacy. It's the GT Limited Edition. It has the 2.5 turbos. The turbos are actually brand new. So there's a couple things that we need to fix with this. Nothing too major. The hood, the trunk. The trunk latch is broken, so we're gonna actually fix that. Other than that, it drives nice. I drove it today. I like it. It is an automatic. So some of you who cannot drive the manual Subarus, this one's a real nice one here. It's got the dual exhaust too. It's really nice. Right beside the Legacy we have here is a Hyundai Veracruz. It's a 2012. It has 94,000 miles. It's going for $10,500. It's got the nice luggage rack on the top too. Oh, it's got the turn signals on the side mirrors, which are nice, the little markers. And one of my favorites here is our GMC Acadia Denali. Will be doing a video of this one today, inside and outside. It's got the premium wheels. I believe they're 20 or 22 inch, around that area. Luggage rack on top. I believe it also has the entertainment package. Has 122,000 miles. It's going for $13,500. Or even say $13,499 on the marker there, right in the window. Now this one we just got in last week. It's a Volkswagen Passat. It's the Wolfsburg edition. It's like looks like a grayish color. It does have a leather charcoal interior. It's nice and sporty. I like it. I got to drive it yesterday. right, next to that we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It looks to be, it's not silver. The video kind of looks like it's a silver, but it's not. I hope you guys can hear me. The traffic's really loud up here. It's this Cherokee, I'd say, is like a tannish color or beige. It has a Hemi on it. It's going for $7,499. It's a 2010. Sorry, the little ribbons are in the way here. Like I had mentioned earlier, we will be starting to do live videos of each of our vehicles. So if you'd like to see our vehicles, you can like and subscribe to them. I will share them. So check us out on Facebook. Our Facebook is Lake Erie Motors. And this one here is another one of my favorites. It's a 2007 Nissan Xterra. It's got 4-wheel drive. Listen now, winter, fall is coming right around the corner. These vehicles, I'm not kidding you, the SUVs, the 4-wheel drives, anything like that, they're going to be marking the prices up. So if you are looking for one, my suggestion is to purchase them now before the prices go up. So the Nissan Xterra has about 132,000 miles. It's on sale today for $6,499. It's got the nice luggage rack on the top. Actually just had a customer coming in looking for a 4-wheel drive vehicle to pull a camper. So all you campers, if you're looking for some SUVs, we have them. All right, we also have this Yukon GMC. It's an SLT, it's black. I have not gotten to see the inside of this one yet, but I will soon because I'll be making some videos. So it's got the sunroof. Let me see if I can kind of show you that. It's got the sunroof, 3rd row seating. It's only got 160,000 miles. It's for $9,999. Then our last vehicle is over here in the corner here. This is a Chevy Equinox. It's white. The interior is like a tannish color or beige. We literally just received this one. I believe there's an O2 sensor on it that we will be replacing. We're going to check out the brakes. Put some new brakes on it. It only has around 90,000 miles. And we are selling it for $4,000. It's a 2007. Come pick it up. I'm going to tell you right now, if you drive a couple, down this road, there's a lot of different dealerships on this road. And for a 2007 with only 90,000 miles, any other dealership would sell it easily for $6,000 or $7,000. And we have it for $4,000 right now. Come get it. Come pick it up. I want to clear these cars out. We want to get some new, fresh meat. I want to show you the back here. When I delivered this vehicle off the truck, the little flap on the top, as you can see, it came off because the screw was missing. So we just purchased some new screws. We'll be fixing that one tomorrow morning. So hopefully by tomorrow this will be all done. It's already had detailed on the inside. It's not bad. An all-wheel drive SUV for only $4,000. Come on, people. That's insane. We are not jacking up these prices here. They could just come and get them. They're on sale. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this. I will see you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, check out our Lake Erie Motors Facebook. We're making it very active, posting new pictures of vehicles as they come in and making videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. To all you new customers, old customers, thank you. Come and visit us. Bye-bye.